It's going quite well. It's very informative and it's very self-reflective as well because in our day-to-day lives we don't get so much of time to actually deep dive some things which are really important and it makes an impact. So there were in the session I saw there were percentage was written. It was
Yes.
a data-driven thing. Like for example, one important thing which mentioned is the manager whom you report to makes a 30% increase impact
Yes.
in your output. So we somehow ignore it in day-to-day life and get caught up, but this thing just brings back to the depth of
Yes.
it.
I
Okay, the top three takeaways is first, what is the meaning of servant leadership? So it is like you have to be a leader at the same time servant. So leader when you are actually trying to lead the team in a particular direction, which is aligned to the values of the company as highlighted in the in the training, and servant when you are looking for the growth of the others. So
Wonderful.
so that's very important thing which I learned. Secondly is a lot of empathy is required to to build good relationships with the employees, with peers, with managers, with subordinates, so that you can go together and make an it is said if the team does better, the output is better rather than individual person performing.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
and the third one, which I
Yes.
would say is there were a lot of MSLA, and there were a lot of data again, which tells you an individual where person is lacking, so that a person can actually work on themselves and improve on it. Because otherwise, it's all in a head. But if you see it in a data, if you see it in the Excel form, it registers more. I think it will work because as AI is coming in, we need more human interaction and we need to be grounded to being human than let something win over. As it is, AI is winning over in technology and replacing people. We need to be more there for each other in this fast-paced world, so that we keep those things intact of our basic core values of being human.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadine. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.